Hello everyone! Some months ago, when I still didn't have my bigger torch, I made this bronze Bezel cup. Now, with my small torch, I couldn't get it heat up quick enough, so it's open in several places. And in this video, I am trying to complete this pendant. Now, yeah, this is the Bezel cup I'm going to make, and here is the stone I grinded almost a year ago. I have no idea what kind of stone this is, but I think it looks quite cool. Now, one thing with this stone is, of course, this crack here. I have no idea if this will break when I am setting it up on the bronze. But if it breaks, then it breaks and can't do anything about that. But let's not worry about that right now. Yeah, let's go. And this is the final pendant. I think it's quite good. I'm happy that I was able to bend this corner even though I don't have any correct tools to do that. And that hammer thing definitely isn't good way to do this, but it turned out okay. Yeah, I was able to sand and file this corner without ruining the stone. That's also something I was a little bit worried about. And this thing, I don't know what these are called. It looks big, but since this is quite heavy pendant, I think it has to be quite big so that you can put a little bit thicker chain through there. But yeah, the color combination is great. I think this could have been silver too. It would have looked great too, but bronze is what I have available, so that's what I used. But yeah, tell me in comments, what do you think about this pendant? Do you like it or not? Also, like this video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe. If you have already visited before but haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And yeah, I'll see you in next video.